spinach salad. It's super quick and easy and super delicious. And it's out of my cookbook, Whole Food American Favorites. So I'm going to start off with 2 cups of cooked brown rice. And this is short grain brown rice, and you can use long grain brown rice if you want. It doesn't really matter, whichever you prefer. And because this rice is a little bit warm, I am going to add my peas that are still a little bit frozen. That's going to help to cool down the salad. And then I'm going to add in some chopped red onion and some chopped bell pepper, and I'm going to be chopping that in my Vidalia Chop Wizard. Best tool ever for chopping vegetables. So I'm going to go ahead and add that into my bowl with the peas and the rice. Peas, by the way, are about 25% protein. If you're worried about protein, but please don't be worried about protein. We get plenty when we're eating enough calories. All right, and then this salad calls for a 1/2 cup of slivered almonds, but I'm going to use just a 1/2 cup of chopped almonds because I don't have any slivered almonds, but the chopped almonds are going to work just fine. And then I'm going to add some chopped spinach, and this is about 2 cups of chopped spinach. And spinach is right about 52% protein. So we got a lot of protein going on in this salad, and rice is even 9% protein. Another wonderful thing about this salad is it's so beautiful. I love summer salads. The colors are so great. And all that color are the phytonutrients, the phytochemicals, antioxidants. Thousands of micronutrients that our body critically needs. All right, the dressing that I'm going to add on top of this salad, a sweet mustard vinaigrette. And I've got a video showing how to make this, and I'll link that below this video. It is just mainly rice vinegar, dates, and just a few chia seeds, about a tablespoon of chia seeds. We're just going to stir that right in there. And you can put as much dressing in as you'd like. One thing about adding dressing to this salad, though, is you need to eat the salad fairly soon, within a couple days, because that spinach is going to become pretty wilted. But it still tastes good, even after it's a little bit wilted. And then I'm going to add some fresh ground pepper. All right, and that is it. So simple and so delicious and so healthy too. So what motivated me to come up with this recipe is whenever I would do a green smoothie class, or a class that I demonstrated a green smoothie, someone would inevitably come up to me afterwards and talk about the smoothie that they do and how they put in protein powders, and they ask me if I ever use protein powders, and I tell them that I don't, and I try to explain to them that we get plenty of protein in our diet and we don't need to be adding extra protein. In fact, extra protein can be dangerous. And when I went to look at the ingredients on a plant-based protein powder, I noticed that it has pea protein, rice protein, and some kind of leafy green. And I thought, we need to come up with a whole food combination recipe that includes those things so we can stop buying protein powders. And we don't even need to come up with a recipe with those 3 ingredients in them. But I just wanted to, just to demonstrate a whole food form of those ingredients. And this salad is so delicious, and it's got so many other nutrients besides protein, which is what we need. And so just stop worrying about protein. Stop thinking about protein. Just eat healthy, whole foods, and you'll be just fine. I hope you like this recipe and give it a try. If you do, please make a comment below and let me know how you like it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and while you're there, hit the subscribe button. And if you know anyone who's interested in gaining optimal health through plant-based nutrition, please share it. Until next time, this is April with Health for Life Cooking, wishing you the very best of health.